Frankie. Billy. Where are you?
Mommy, Daddy. Daddy, do you remember what we've been practicing this week?
Frankie, carry all this rice. Billy, carry all the cot. Okay girls, it's time for me to go now, so hwyl.
Hwyl, Daddy. This week we have to practice hwyl. Hwyl is goodbye.